Hi there everyone, welcome back to another Project Spot J. For today's project, we're doing the wheels. So, if you guys look closely, you guys notice anything missing? Yep, I snapped off 2 of them with the impact when I thought I had it on the low setting, but I guess they were already kind of on their last legs, so they broke off. So, yep, it's on only 3 right now, and I figure since I'm gonna be replacing those 2, I might as well just replace all of them. So I bought a whole set for the whole car, and for now I'm just gonna only do just the 2 front, because I think the backs are still good. So, but I do have a whole set for the whole car. So in this video, I'm just gonna be showing you guys how I'm replacing them. All right. Alright, so with the brake rotors off and the tires and everything, this is how it looks like. So these 2 are the 2 broken ones. And basically at this point, what you're going to do is just basically grab a single jack hammer, and then you're just going to hit these out and make sure that the ones that you're aligning with is over on this side over here. And some people actually had to smack theirs down, but mine, I don't know if it came like that, because I never touched this car, so I don't know. The previous owner might have smacked it down a little bit, but if you guys look, we do have clearance. So I'm gonna go ahead and use a single jack and just knock these out. But before we do all that, let's at least compare the size and length and make sure they're about the same. So the size for this CRV is M12 by 1.5. So if you guys are looking and just want to reference it, it is M12 by 1.5. And yeah, they look to be the same length and everything, so I'll go ahead and knock these out and then pound these ones in. Just in case you guys are wondering what I got, so I did get a whole set. These are all the wheel studs. This is a wheel stud installer, and I'll show you guys how to use that in a bit. Got this off of Amazon for like 10 bucks. And then I did get new lug nuts too. So these aren't your the ones that came with the car. These are actually the pass-through kind, so you can actually see through them. So I got the wheel studs out. These are the new ones. Can you tell me what's the issue? Look at this. What the heck? Internet lied to me. They told me the wrong size. Right, so I just want to give you guys a little bit of update. The ones I got online, they did not work. So this is actually the part number of the new ones I got. Because the original ones that I got from online, the base was thinner, so it wouldn't have worked. And so luckily I went to O'Reilly's and they were able to search me this size. Which is the same thread pitch and everything, same base. The only thing is that it's just a tad bit shorter, that's it. So I already went ahead and pressed the first one in, and it does work. And if you look at the back here, it does clear, so it will work. Well, I don't know for sure yet until I put the wheels on, but I did get these little open-ended ones, so that should work. All right, and then for the wheel spacer, this is how you use it. The flat end presses against here, and then you just put the nut on and you thread it, and this helps basically stabilize this while you pull the nut in through the grooves here. So I'll show you guys. All right, here we go. So when you first put it through back here, you start to, it'll almost look like it won't clear because it's touching that hub, right? But once you start sucking it and pulling it through, then it should reach that little concave part right there, and it should clear. So, all right, here we go. Yep, just like that, it's pulled through. All right, for the next one. You know, somehow in my mind, when I ordered these open-ended lugs, I thought they were gonna look cooler, but they don't, or at least I don't like them. So this is how the other ones look like, and then the open-ended ones. I might just return these. Yeah, I'm gonna switch them back out to the original ones, and I'll just put it onto the car for now until I get a new set, because I'm pretty sure the old ones right there are a little stripped inside too. All right. All right, so at least these closed-ended lugs look way better. So I'm gonna go ahead and get the other side done, and then once we're done with both front wheels, I'm gonna go ahead and lower the car until the tire pretty much gets a little even force on the ground. Then I'll come back and hand tie in the rest of these nuts.